Hey you all, today I'll be showing you how to etch glass. I have my vinyl here on my mat. This is Cricut brand removable vinyl. Then I have my design loaded onto my iPad. For removable vinyl, you do not mirror. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this with my Cricut. And I am using the Armor etching cream, and I will be etching on glass. Okay, now I have my words cut out. Now I'm just going to take my weeding tool and weed out the excess vinyl. Okay, here are the words. It says cheers to the new year. So I had to switch cameras, but I have my transfer tape here. Now I'll use my scraper tool. Move this over there. Now take your scraper tool and just smooth it out and make sure that there are no air bubbles. And once you have it placed on, you just want to remove the backing. Be sure that all of your pieces are transferred. Okay. Now, you want to take your glass. Okay, so you want to be sure that you're applying it to a clean surface. So you just want to take some alcohol and clean off your surface. Okay. Now you will take your stencil and apply it. It's a little bit crooked. you want to remove your transfer tape. Be sure to remove all of your air bubbles. My design is not placed perfectly. Okay, so the directions for this say to apply a stencil, which was already done, and then you apply a thick layer of this with a paintbrush, leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinse with running water. But we're gonna leave it on for about 15 or 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and get my timer ready. So we'll go ahead and apply it. And I'm just mixing it. Now we'll begin to apply it. Okay, we'll just let this sit for 15 minutes. And we'll go ahead and start the timer. Okay, you all, here is the final result, and it says cheers to the new year. It does have a bit of some imperfections, but that is okay. So here it is, and that is how you etch on glass. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next upload. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.